Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today we will make pop art portrait of Marilyn Monroe on newspaper. For this we require cardboard, plain paper, newspaper, scissors, glue, acrylic colors, brush. First we will apply glue on cardboard to stick white paper. This will cover the uneven surface of the cardboard and also we will have bright white background. While sticking the white paper, keep some part outside to cover the sides of the cardboard. Apply glue and stick this paper also. Now take newspaper and cut the small columns. Don't include headlines or colorful images. Cut areas like this. Like this. Cut pieces like this to cover the whole cardboard. Now we will keep this aside and make glue solution. For that get one plate. I know my plate is super clean, sorry for that. I couldn't find any good plate in short time. Next pour water in it and put glue. Stir it well. Next we will stick newspaper cuttings on cardboard. Take the cutting, dip it in solution like this and apply on the cardboard. You can stick any way you want. There is no rules for that. Cover the whole board with the newspaper cuttings. Once finished, it will look something like this. Keep it at least 5-6 hours for drying. I kept it overnight and once dried, I drawn pop art of Marilyn Monroe using stencil from the internet. Now paint it using black acrylic color. I use acrylic colors here because using postal color on newspaper will make its surface uneven. On the other hand, acrylic color dry fast. Use it with little water as a medium and it will give you good result.
I'm thinking of your pretty eyes. A single word can change my life. I'm thinking of your pretty eyes. A single word can change my life. So talk to me, tell me you Don't break my
For making our portrait little attractive, I am using red acrylic color for the lips. Also, one more important thing you need to do here. This step is very important and need to be followed properly. You see this red color? You will see the same red color subscribe button below this video. If it's still red, click it to make it grey and also press the bell icon next to it. Then you will get some good notification from this channel. Hope you followed the important step. So we will paint the lips now. That's it, our portrait of Marilyn Monroe is ready. Hope you liked the video. If so, then don't forget to press the like button and comment on the video. Share with your friends. Be creative and keep creating. And I will see you next time. Peace.
I don't know about tomorrow, but I have something for today. I can't be caring for others, not just living for myself. If I stop just for a moment, I won't lose this morning sun. If I try just to look forward, I will see the morning dawn. I will see the